All right, the grammar assignments for this week and next week all deal with pronouns. Pronouns fit into two categories. So in Schoology, it would be in your best interest to open the pronouns folder, and in that folder, you will see a link called Pronouns Slideshow. This is what it looks like. So the two types of pronouns, we have pronouns that can be subject or pronouns that are not subjects. So a pronoun takes the place of a noun. So instead of saying Kelly went to the store, you could say I went to the store, and I is the pronoun. So ask yourself, who did what in the sentence? The who is the subject and the what is the verb. So who did what? I went to the store. Who did what? I went. So I is the subject, went is the verb. So for subject pronouns, they have to be in the subject spot of the sentence. Subject pronouns only, these are the only subject pronouns. I will always be a subject pronoun. He, she, and it, we, they, and you. Those are the subject pronouns. So the next slide, Billy and I went to the store. What happens if we have more than one? It's not just I went to the store. Now we have a compound subject. We have more than one. So both Billy and I are the subjects of the sentence. Who did what? Billy went to the store. I went to the store. So one trick is to cover up, let's say Billy, cover that up, and you're left with I went to the store. And that is the correct pronoun because I, back here, I is a subject pronoun. So make sure that you're paying attention to the top of the slide. Subject has to do the subject job in a sentence, the who part. Who has to do something. When you go to the next lesson, it is about pronouns that are not the subject of the store or subject of the sentence. So they're not the ones going to be doing the action. They're the ones that are going to be receiving the action. So our two types of pronouns are subject and objective. And that first assignment, subject pronouns, are only going to deal with he, she, it, I, we, they, or you, because those are the subject pronouns.